The simple trick proven to boost your brain power. Are you ready to unlock a superpower that's been hiding in plain sight? What if I told you that the secret to becoming a faster, smarter, more efficient learning machine isn't some complicated technique, but a simple, ancient practice that you can start today? Get ready, because we're about to dive into the incredible, science-backed power of the spacing effect. So, how do you actually use this to become a studying legend? It's simpler than you think. Step 1. Ditch the cram session. Your first mission is to break up with all-nighters. Cramming is like stuffing your brain with confetti. It looks full for a second, but then it all just falls out. Instead, the moment you learn something new, like a history date, a math formula, or a new vocabulary word, that's when the clock starts ticking. Step 2. Schedule your brain boosts. This is the magic. Instead of reviewing your notes for 5 hours straight, you're going to review them in short, powerful bursts. Here's your new best friend schedule. First review, later the same day or first thing the next morning. Just a quick 5 to 10 minute glance over. Second review, 1 day later. Test yourself. Can you recall the information without looking? Third review, 1 week later. This one is crucial for cementing the knowledge. Fourth review, 1 month later. By now, you'll be amazed at how much is stuck. Step 3. Embrace the struggle. Here's the exciting part. When you space out your learning, you might feel a little struggle to recall the information. That is a good thing. That feeling of effort is your brain building stronger, more durable connections. It's like weightlifting for your neurons. Each time you successfully recall something after a gap, you're telling your brain, this is important, lock it down. This isn't just a nice idea, it's one of the most robust findings in all of cognitive science. By spacing out your practice, you're hacking your brain's natural learning cycle and turning short-term memory into lifelong knowledge. So, what are you waiting for? Your brain is literally designed to learn this way. Stop fighting it and start spacing. Go grab your notes, plan your first review session, and get ready to feel the power of becoming a true studying machine. Now go out there and learn something awesome.